Hi and welcome to another in our series of Start Rescue driver information videos. In this video we're going to help you understand your car's onboard safety systems. Modern cars are loaded with clever state-of-the-art technology designed to keep drivers, passengers and even pedestrians safe. But with so many acronyms flying about and different brands using different terminology, it can be hard to understand what your car is capable of. So, let's take a look at some of the most common safety systems. Collectively, these are often referred to as Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, or Safety Assists. But before we do, always remember to refer to your car's handbook for full details of how to work systems. Automatic braking, Advanced Emergency Braking System, AEBS, or Automated Emergency Braking, AEB, is a system that can detect potential forward collisions and automatically apply the brakes to mitigate the dangers. Usually you'll hear an initial warning sound or see a visual alert prompting you to take action before the system steps in to apply the brakes as a last resort. Adaptive Cruise Control. While standard cruise control will maintain a precise speed as programmed by the driver will need to manually adjust his or her speed as traffic builds or eases. Adaptive Cruise Control, on the other hand, constantly reads the road ahead and will accelerate or decelerate as necessary to maintain the desired speed set by the driver where possible, depending on how busy the road is. Assistive Steering. Assistive steering is one of the most advanced autonomy features widely available today, and as the name suggests, provides support for the driver, helping them steer correctly. The system is designed to assist a driver in keeping to their lane. It is absolutely not designed to steer the car automatically. In fact, most assisted steering systems will not work without the driver's hands on the wheel. ESC. Electronic Stability Control has been fitted as standard on all new cars in the UK since 2014 and builds upon the protection offered by ABS. Often when a driver takes evasive action in an emergency, it can send them into a slide or spin. ESC employs wheel sensors to detect a loss of control and can automatically apply small amounts of braking to individual wheels to regain stability. Lane Assist. Lane assist systems are now commonplace on new cars and help to prevent accidents that occur when a driver veers out of their lane. A lane assist system monitors the road and reads road markings and understands where a driver should be on the road. Blind Spot Information System. Many accidents happen when drivers fail to notice another vehicle behind them in their blind spot. Blind spot warnings minimise the risks of that happening. Usually, drivers will be warned of an object in their blind spot by a bright light in their wing mirror. This warning may also be duplicated on the instrument cluster or head-up display. Rear Cross Traffic Assist. Rear Cross Traffic Assist systems are designed to protect against accidents that occur when a car is reversing out of a parking spot. It detects vehicles, or in some cases pedestrians, approaching from either direction, and either gives a warning or applies the brakes. Tyre Pressure Monitor. Most modern cars are also fitted with sensors to measure tyre pressures. These will let you know whether your vehicle's tyres are under or overinflated, both of which could have an impact on handling, braking distance and economy. If your car shows slightly underinflated tyres, visit a garage at your earliest convenience to adjust your pressure or use a tyre pump or compressor. However, if you have a major loss of pressure caused by a puncture, you should pull over to the side of the road and stop in the nearest safe place.